facing me.
Then it's Harry. Then it's Bosco. Then it's Caius.
I'm gonna do pink for mine.
You can, yes.
I'm gonna draw some. If someone pass me off a green, can I wait here?
You can wait inside the log circle if you want. These are going to be doing hot dogs as well. So today we have sausage rolls made over the campfire. Really easy to use. Really easy to cook and really easy to prepare for the children. So this is the pre-made puff pastry that you can get from any supermarket. Wrapped around, you can use normal hot dogs, we went for the vegetarian hot dogs so that all the children could take part in it. So it's been cut into, you can see kind of like the layers, it's been cut into thin strips. The children have wrapped them around the hot dogs, popped it onto a skewer, and then the adults, we've cut it for them, just turning them over. And then we've just put some tomato ketchup on them and we're eating them. So they don't take long, as long as your fire is down to embers instead of flames. Then they cook evenly without burning too fast. And yeah, the children love them. Taste delicious. And yeah, really fun food to cook over the fire. So, there you go. And a little Robin coming to get the remains of the pastry from the sausages. Hello, Robin. Goodbye, Robin. Put it on this side, Brian.
Brian, yours is
Yours
there.
is. It's okay. You.
Bit wary of putting Brian's on, he's a bit fierce there. I might have to turn that over in a minute.
Do I put one on this side?